Hello. First video on Grow Garden. Astra, I don't know. Let's go. Now I got a cell. Wait, bro, talk to me, bro. El browser, my brother, bro. What the fuck? Why can I not sell? Wait, there is something wrong with my game or what? Bro, let me sell. What the fuck? Mm, 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 mm. Bro, what do I do, bro? I need to I need to get out and rejoin. Okay. Wait, how much? Now, and guys, I want to do tomorrow. I want to do a video on schedule one because I love this shit. And yeah, let's go. Oh, I got a new mic and new headphones. I don't know if this is copyright. Yeah, but we don't care. That we care. We need to sell. Thank you, Steven. Wait, is this... No. This a glitch? Wow, this... Okay. Okay, I need to get seeds. I haven't played like Rock Garden in a long time, so guys, don't blame me because I'm shit. Ow. Wait, am I recording? How much? Okay, I can go 1 more minute. Come on, ready. Okay, let's go sell. Now I need to... Okay, thank you. I'm gonna get this and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Strawberry. 4 carrot. Okay. 8 minutes. Wow, you're a big strawberry. You're really big strawberry. Wow, should I shovel this or... Yeah. A fruit in your garden. Oh, thank you, God, that you got molite. I don't know how to say it. So, let's go, guys. 100 shekels, like it's... I give you a beautiful test. You are 100% beautiful. Just like you. Oh shit, I don't have million. I don't have million. Please God help me. I need the millions. Kaboom. Did someone good? Aww, how cute it looks. Looks just like a blueberry. But what is this? Frost, grow speed, chilled and frozen. Celestial. What the huh? Okay. What is this? Which confirm begin ritual. Okay, I'm gonna do it in another video. Oh, moonlight, thank you. I'm just gonna sell this. Oh, no. I'm gonna get this. How did it went on to play shard? You need the inferno shard. What is it? Say there. What is this? Can Firekeeper give you your pets a new mutation? Cost one every 50. Oh, okay. Good job. A fruit in your garden. Okay. Should I take all in this and put it in the fire? Or should I make money? I should make money. Money. It's so money. Money. Na. Oh, and this is a new account. This is not my regular account. Money. It's so funny. No. Money. I really need carrots. Okay, let's plant those strawberries. Why can't I plant? Okay. I'm trying to get mutations. I don't know how to say. Wow, that big carrot. That big carrot. Hello, my brother. What's up? The site. What's up? I don't have a mic because I hadn't put my WhatsApp. I don't know what the fuck. Okay, let's just take this. Sorry, I don't know English. Not very good. Okay, English not very good. So I'm trying to get a blueberry right now or a tomato. Pumpkin good, but no. Firefly spherical. Should I wear it? No. So, guys, if you want me to buy Robux, please like and subscribe very much times, cause I need money. I get money because you like. And if you want me to buy things with Robux, you need to like this video and subscribe. Okay, let's get back. Guys, I'm very sorry, but this is the end. Wait, is this the end? Yeah, this is the end. Bye, guys. I love you so much. I hope that this community grows with every like and every subscriber. So, bye. I will post another video. Bye.